welcome back to Unimonks. My name is Padmanjali Chauhan and today I bring to you the ultimate guide to crack CUET 2024. Alright, these strategies will help you stay in line, stay focused and get you into your dream college. Alright, okay. The first strategy, understand the exam pattern. Alright, it is very important for you to know how many questions are coming in the paper, how many sections are there in the paper, the duration of each exam, the amount of questions that are asked in each exam. This will help you, the types of questions that they're going to ask. Okay, for example, obviously MCQ is going to be the pattern, but reason and assertion statements come, right? They give you 4 statements and they ask you which one of them is in alignment, which of them is not, stuff like that. All right, you need to learn, you need to know the types of questions that are coming. This will help you better prepare for your examination. All right, so when you go into the study hall, you're not wasting time. Okay, you're not you don't get scared by the new types of questions that pop up into your face. All right, so understand the question pattern. Okay, next, collect study material. Your most important study material is the NCERT textbook. Okay, the paper comes from this textbook. Okay, whether you're from state board, whether you're from ICSE, whether you're from CBSE, in order to crack CUET 2024, this textbook is your holy grail. Okay, every question that comes in the paper comes from this textbook and this textbook only. All right, apart from this, collect mock tests, obviously, collect previous year's question papers, collect reference books in order to help you understand concepts better. Okay, if that's how you roll. And lastly, make proper notes. Make notes for yourself. Number 1, it helps for retention. Okay, and number 2, it helps you understand the concept in your own words. So you read about something and then you write it down in your own words. This makes you understand the concept, grasp the concept much easier, much better, because you use much easier language, much more free-flowing language than the textbook properly, right? Now, the next tip I can give you is to create a study plan. All right, now you are going to give, say, 2 language papers, you're going to give 3 domain subject papers, and then you're going to also give a general test. All right, now this comes up to about 6 papers, right? You have to create a study plan for each of these 6 papers. How you're going to, when are you going to study for this language number 1, how much time you're going to spend on it, language number 2, how much time, domain subject 1, 2, 3, how much time, general test, how much time. All right, this study plan needs to be, a comprehensive study plan needs to be made. Okay, now 6 subjects, but you can't be like, okay, languages are easy for me, so I won't give it that much weightage. But let's say political science is a little more difficult and general tests like quant and all that is a little more difficult for me, so I'll concentrate on all of that. Don't do that. Give each subject equal weightage. All right, all of these subjects are equally as important for you to get into your dream college. Okay, so give each subject, when you're creating the study plan, give each subject equal weightage. All right, and lastly, study diligently. Obviously, be honest to yourself. Okay, only and only if you follow through the study plan will you be able to get into your dream college. CUET is your one shot into your favorite, into your dream college, whether it be JNU, BHU, DU, anything. Okay, Jamia, any college, but it is your one shot. Okay, so give it your all. All right, now the next tip I have for you is time management. This is very crucial, especially for you to get done with your time management part during preparation. So, for example, you're sitting for mock test, you're practicing a mock test. When you're practicing a mock test, time yourself. All right, time yourself, check your speed, check your accuracy. Okay, now say you've attempted a mock test, 50 questions, okay, for your domain subject, 50 questions. You've taken 3 hours. That is not how it's going to work. You get 45 minutes to do your domain subjects, okay? Make sure that you're answering 40 questions in those 45 minutes, okay? Apart from your speed, check your accuracy as well. How many questions you got right, where you went wrong, obviously, okay? And after doing that, only then will you be able to improve yourselves. Okay, so improve yourselves according to how you've timed yourselves and how accurate you were while answering the paper. Okay, now next tip I have for you: practice regularly. Obviously, okay, practice makes perfect, right? So use mock tests, answer 2 or 3 mock tests for each chapter. Okay, this I'm saying because they can ask you any sort of question. Any question can be made into an objective type question. Okay, I am telling you, I promise you, they can do it. Okay, so practice as many mock tests as you possibly can so that you are aware of any and every type of question that they could possibly ask you. Okay, so when you go into that exam hall, when you're writing that exam, you're not bamboozled by the question they've asked you. All right, okay. And apart from the mock test, obviously practice previous year question papers. Those are your other holy grail apart from your NCERT textbook. Okay, now the next tip I have for you is focus on your basics. Okay, only if you build a strong foundation, only if you are through with your fundamentals will you be able to understand the specifics. Okay, this is especially important for students of the science stream, of the commerce stream, right? It's honestly important for any student to have your bases, if to have your foundation strong. Okay, get clear, very, very clear knowledge of your fundamentals. Don't try to take shortcuts. Okay, don't say 30 days before the paper and be like, okay, now I'm going to start studying, let's see how much we get through. Okay, you are not going to be able to understand your basics in 30 days. Okay, forget your basics. Because of that, you won't even be able to understand the specific information you need to remember for your CUET. So don't do that, please. UG people, you have 8 months. PG people, you have 5 months. Yeah, okay, more or less. Let's forgive October. UG people, you have 7 months. PG people, you have 4 months. Give it your all. Okay, spend all the time you possibly have studying for this paper. Okay, because it is only through this paper that you're going to get into the university you want to. Okay, now next tip. All this information obviously is going to get you anxious. Okay, all of the studying that you have to do, you probably UG students are probably handling school as well as preparation for CUET. PG students are probably working somewhere and simultaneously trying to study for the CUET paper. It is obviously going to get you anxious. Okay, but do not let that get you down. Okay, question, seek answers for your questions. Okay, you only get anxious when you have questions and nobody to answer them for you. So talk to teachers, talk to mentors. Okay, talk to people who've already written the paper previously. Okay, seek advice from them, seek help from them, ask them questions. They are there to answer you, to help you out. Okay, nobody is ever going to say no to helping you out, especially when it comes to crucial situations and crucial times like this. Okay, so don't be embarrassed to seek help, and this is the only way you're not going to get unnecessarily anxious about the paper. Okay, just stay happy, be positive, everything's going to be fine. Optimism is the way to life. All right, okay. Now, revision strategy. Obviously, revision is also important. As I said previously, practice makes perfect. So build a schedule comfortable for you. Okay, but also make sure you follow it through. Okay, you don't just build a schedule and paste it on your wall above your study table and just stare at it. Okay, for the next how many ever months, 7 months or 4 months, whatever. Follow it through also. Okay, if you've given yourself so much time for so much subject, sit and practice, revise for that subject. Okay, don't just stare at your timetable. That will make you even more anxious. Okay, you are the problem when you do this. Okay, so perseverance is key. Okay, make sure you follow through every promise you've made to yourself, because, and I say this again, it is the only way you are going to get into the university of your dreams. All right, okay. Now, the last strategy, the last tip I have for you is to keep yourselves updated and on top of all information related to CUET 2024. Okay, whatever updates are coming through, whether it's about syllabus change, about important dates, like the NTA release the dates for the examination. Obviously, that's why I'm telling you how much time you have left. Recently, they also released the dates of the day of the result. Okay, when they're going to come out with the result for the specific papers. Okay, keep yourselves updated on all of this. This is the only way you are going to get answers for your questions, okay? This is the only way your anxiety is going to get reduced, all right? Prepare hard. I know you can do it, all right? All the best for your CUET paper. You are going to make it through. I promise you, you are going to make it through. Just persevere and practice, okay? All the very, very best to all CUET aspirants out there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Help out, motivate your fellow CUET aspirants in the comments down below, okay? Support each other and ask each other questions and compliment each other, whatever, okay? But make the comment section a little more positive, all right? And for more such informational content, subscribe to Unimonks. Thank you for watching. Bye.